Today's repair, we have a 1000SRT, and the problem with this is it keeps restarting. So this unit was acquired from one DJ, sold to another DJ, and he was complaining that it kept restarting while he was using it. So for that reason, we're gonna try to troubleshoot it. So right now, I'm gonna start with a power cable right here. So we're gonna try to move it around and see if the light goes out. Oh, there you go. You see, it just rebooted. So we know we have a power problem. Definitely have a power problem. But before I continue, I'm gonna try another cable. We want to make sure, we want to roll out this as being the problem. So we have another one. So guys, I've concluded 100% that the issue is this. This is the original that I was using, and this is a spare one that I use on my FLX10. They use the exact same plug. I think this one is probably a newer model because it's the FLX, but this is the 1000. As you can see, it's almost identical, a little bit skinnier, but this thing here just keeps causing this unit to restart and have issues. But when I'm using this one, I have no problems at all. I could jiggle it, I could, do whatever, no issues. But every time I try this, I have a problem. Same thing, I try with the USB. There's no USB issues. This unit's working fine, except when it's running off of this. So we need to buy another one of these or replace this cable and see if this cable could help with the problem too. So I'm gonna look into that because I would hate to throw this away. I'd rather just replace this if possible. So we've been testing this for a while, since like 4:24 p.m. and right now is 8 o'clock. So that's about 3.5 hours, and no issues. You know what I mean? This thing has been solid, running on Serato on my laptop this whole time. So this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to test it for a very long time. Unfortunately, the client or the DJ that purchased this did not want to take a chance. He didn't want to keep it at all. He didn't care that I was going to repair it. So I'm going to have to sell it to someone else. And it's very sad, but this is what happens sometimes. You know what I mean? You get some good days, you get some bad days, and you ended up doing extra work just because things like this. But yes, so we now have, this replacement, and this is what we're going to use. And we already order a new one. We're gonna wait until that new one shows up, and we'll have another one. But as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I hope this video can help you in case you're having the same problem with your unit restarting and giving you headaches. It's usually the cable or something power related. So start there before you go crazy messing with something else.